Nifty pack now down only 50 points. But as promised, Nimesh is standing by. He's going to tell us what he's picking up in D-Street chatter. Nimesh.
Hi, Nigel. So today's surprise could be a positive number from the larger institutions. So that's the overall sense that I'm picking up. The volumes have picked up, but it's on the but they are better buyers. So that's from a flow perspective. But again, it's been extremely choppy for the last many days, and so is the case today as well. A bit of geopolitical risk, a bit of risk towards the US as well. That's putting some bit of pressure on the Indian markets for the last many days, and so is today. From a range point of view, I've been talking for the last few days that it's been that 600, 700 points range. The Nifty seems to be, it has to break out on either side for a decisive move. That's not happening for the last many weeks now. So I think for today, the big takeaway is that maybe you'll see a positive number from the larger institutions. Technology, financials, and select large cap is where I sense there is a bit of buying interest back from larger institutions. So that's the space to watch out for. But broadly, while it's been pretty much range bound, seems like today's a day of a bit of better buying from large institutions.
Nimesh, this buying at the FI desk, is it linked to the Paytm block deal? Were they buyers in that, or is it even outside of that we're seeing a pickup?
I would say X of Paytm block, there is buying interest. And as I said, the buying interest is largely into technology stocks, financial names, and select large caps. So it's not like across the board, but there is buying X of Paytm as well. So that's from a flow perspective. From an individual stock perspective, the first stock on my list is AB Capital. That was a big mover yesterday after the earnings. Today a bit soft, but I understand there could be a large block deal in AB Capital very soon. There's an alternative fund which owns close to 3.5%, and they could be the potential sellers in AB Capital block. So that's the first name. The second stock is Nesco. While the stock has been consolidating of late, I understand there could be some strategic or a corporate development in Nesco very soon. So that's the second stock. The third stock is Axis Bank. The stock has been under pressure and has relatively underperformed the financial names. But my sense is that large part of the selling from a leading long-only fund seems to be largely over. And small buying has emerged from larger HNI desk is the sense on Axis Bank. So that's the third name. And the last name is AU Small Finance Bank. Again, the stock has seen a bit of volatile moves in the last many days. But from a flow perspective, there is buy flows from larger HNIs. And for AU Small Finance Bank, the next big trigger would be the approval of the universal banking license. So that's going to be a big trigger to watch out as far as AU Small Finance is concerned.
Thank you very much for